Hi guys, welcome back. So this is May and now it is time for the best Android apps for May. So today I have another time 5 awesome apps. So without ado, let's get started guys. Let's roll that intro. So guys, the first app in this list is called Tasks by Google. So this is Google's newest launch application. The first thing I like about this is the design itself. The app looks kind of nice. It is basically, I think, based on the Material Design 2.0. So at the bottom you get add a new task and you can tap it and create a new task. It's really easy. I even make a video on this guy, and then you can go to this options to get Google Tasks, create a new list. You can create a new list if you want, and from the three dot menu you can go to a lot of other places, and here you can see your completed things. Another thing I like about this is a pretty subtle little animation there. So overall this app is really nice. If you're in Google ecosystem, this is probably the app you should try right now. The next application in this list is none other than a icon pack, which is called Stardust. So this icon pack is created by Lumi Creative. He creates a tons of awesome icon packs. I think this icon pack is a couple of bucks on the Play Store, so if you want to try it out, I'm gonna be linking this below. So you can get a lot of awesome icons and high quality icons from here, and if you want you can also get some wallpapers from here. Currently I'm not with internet connectivity. It supports a tons of launcher. Currently I'm using Lenovo launcher. So overall, yes guys, you want to check this out. This comes with a really awesome looking icons, which is you can absolutely see here. I'd recommend you check this one out because this one. The next app in this list is called VSCO. So this application is really nice if you're into cinematic photo editing. So you can see I'm created a tons of photos from here. Like you can get a lot of things, like you can click picture and then you can hop into the settings and get a tons of awesome filters to try on. You can tap it here for changing the exposure and everything, contrast and everything you can do right from the application. Overall I recommend this application to check it out. This is a really small, and even they have a VSCO X, which is gives you an option to edit your videos and a lot of other filters if you want. So overall it's really nice application. I would recommend you guys to check it out. The next application in this list is called Adobe Photoshop Mix. So this application is basically someone who likes Photoshop, so you can create and take a picture of from your phone, and then you can cut a pretty awesome part about the pictures. Like let's choose a picture in this case. So this basically gives you an option to create and edit something like in from your picture. Like this is what I do with Iron Man and everybody like that. You can see I can manipulate the pictures. So as you can do a lot of awesome things with this kind of a thing. So it basically gives you an idea to crop down in pictures and cut out something from your picture. Overall it's really nice. If you want to check it out, you want to do some pretty minor editing and do some cutouts from your pictures and create some awesome thumbnails from this, you can use this application. This is currently free, which is I really appreciate. Overall in my opinion, this is the best application on the Play Store. Is available for cut down the something from your pictures, so I absolutely recommend this application. Last but not the least application in this list is called Trident 3. So this is basically a widget packs, comes with a tons of awesome widgets. So currently you can see I'm using this. So this Trident 3 is absolutely for KWGT. So this have a tons of widgets, so let's go. So you can see there are a ton of awesome looking widgets out there, so I would absolutely recommend you. It's also a paid app. I'm gonna be linking the app below. So there are some tons and tons of awesome applications are out there, so I would recommend you to check these applications out because the widgets are really nice in my opinion. And you can see I'm currently using one from the widget, which is I really love. So well guys, thanks for watching. This is it for this video. I'm actually going to make tons of more videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe me. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe me and share this video with all of your friends. And well guys, thank you.